Blessed love, give thanks to another day. This is Robert T with the Sound News Experience coming to you live from Wolverhampton. Big Roots dancer go on. Jah Hamma, scientist, junior Quaker. How much more bigger than that you want? And you don't know Sound News Extra got there for report on it. Right now, quick thing, we have one of the crew them. Jah Hamma crew in the place. Long time thing. Big up on yourself.
Yes, Robert T. Yes, Robert T. Each and every time. See, struggling man here. See, MC, original Jah Hamma. See, move on.
Yes, man, original Cheshire cat from way back. You remember me good, man? I'm me, man. Tell him, Jah Hamma. Go on.
Yes, my name's Dan. Selector, operator, sound builder, jack of all trades, master of none. But here we are.
Yeah, so we know some never gonna play soon, but quick thing. This dancer, where this dancer you feel mean for the community and for reggae music and soul music, what you feel is dancer, how important it is?
Gotta build it back, man. We gotta build it back. There's no more blues. There's no more Linwood Road. There's no more Chapel Street. There's no more Lime Grove. There's no blues. Where's the culture gone? We need blues.
We can't let it go. It's heritage, you know, star.
Dancehall.
Serious.
And venue.
And you as a selector, when you say the kind of tune that we are select nowadays in some of the dance and them, how it make you feel?
Well, obviously you got all different nations coming into roots dances now, but you can't forget the foundation of where the thing actually come from. So you know, it's from back in the day right to brand new, and that's how we play.
So which brings me to this. What I bring to the dance tonight? What Jah Hamma bring tonight?
Roots with our culture.
Hey,
I'm gonna bring some lyrics, man, like back in the day. Lyrics, roots, no swearing, no dirtiness. Lyrics, man, cause you know, so we got enough, man. Jah Hamma.
yo, well on the Jah Hamma. I tell you some people. You must remember this man. Cheshire Cat, love injection there. Love injection.
The first time I ever held the mic, he was there, Bonkers nightclub. And on the cassette, they said, big up Robert T. It was A-Jack Banton. Called, come in Whitefoot. Yeah, A-Jack like, you can't call him Whitefoot, man. Come on, man.
All right.
Yeah, well, obviously it's all about trying to bring an upfront vibe in this new time. Obviously, it's 2023, so we've got to bring it forward, and that's what we're doing.
Well, one thing me confident of, and the people them in the dance confident about, is that Jah Hamma are going to bring goodness to the dance. So, we can talk to them later after the session, yeah? Have a good session, Dada. I'm a warrior, so lyrics right here.
One of the old enemy, you know. Now generation I Love Express, enemy for injection from back in the day.
Three songs in the upper end of the city. Entertainment. Yes, I right down to the ground. Just test the sound, you know. Inside the farm, brother, see. Yes, I. John song, and if you can stick around, watch the waves. Each and every time, see. I saw it right now coming. That's 9:30. Right inside the Palm Brothers, you know. We are stepping up in an easier times. Yes, I saw we were killing it right out over our time. You know, style out our time. Yeah, yeah. Jah Hamma for the top to the very last track. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, this is Robert and the Sound News Extra team here once again in Wolverhampton. Big Roots Dance, Junior Quaker, Scientist, and Jah Hamma. And with me right here, I am so proud to mention this that the elder statesman, the elder Quaker, you all know Quaker City from way back when, the heaviest thing we did in Britain. See me, the legend is here right beside me. Big respect, sir.
Respect, you know.
Yeah.
The pleasure really reason with you. And to talk with you, to say things about the industry, you know.
Of course, cause me know you as a man, you're passionate about sound and sound business and how sound business is going. But you're here tonight, not just supporting the dance, but you're supporting someone special.
Yeah, supporting my son, but I feel proud to be here to see my son playing and two more other sound system playing,
Yeah.
you know, and that's what I respect in it. To come out and see three sound or four sound or two sound playing instead of a man coming in and bringing CD and come to play upon another man's
And a
sound
laptop.
and a laptop and them memory stick and all them things. That are no sound system vibes.
So I take it, what's your opinion in terms of when sound system was in your era to what's going on now? I mean, where do you rate that?
But I don't rate it, you know. I don't rate it. It's like them taking the good work what men before me do and what I come and take up and take to another level. And instead they take it to another level, they drop it back.
Yeah.
Because there is hardly any sound system around anymore. There are PA systems. And PA system and sound system is two different things.
Yes. Definitely.
You see?
Definitely.
You see, sound system is what you use indoors to entertain people. PA system are what you use outside.
You hear that, people? You hear the definition and the difference. Yeah? The elder statesman said, the legend. Yeah? So quick. In terms of the music as well, in terms of the music we play a dancehall nowadays. I mean, you're not too happy with what going on with the sound thing. I'm guessing you're not too even happy with the music what going on now.
There's no music now, mate. There is no music making from the late 80s. Up pure do over.
Yeah, pure cover.
Everything is cover. Nobody not going in a studio now and lay rhythm anymore. And then everybody just sit back there and jump on the bandwagon and just they catch a rhythm. Are you truth about it? They're messing up the rhythm them.
Yeah.
Because nobody cover what they cover don't fit the rhythm.
Okay. Okay. Well, I feel them need advice and guidance more from people like yourself.
But you can't tell them because they don't know everything already.
Well, you
And
know,
sound better.
well, Elder, I wish I could talk to you more tonight, but you know what? We are going to talk again
Yeah, man. Anytime.
because we have a little proposition what me and Rico want to put to you for an in-studio interview with another legendary sound man where you know very well where him happy to do the interview with you. So we're going to talk to you because we don't want to let it out yet to the people because they're going to love this. You understand? But for the time being, Elder, respect, you know. Manners and respect. People, you see, the legend who is Father Quaker, here with Sound News Extra. Big up the Sound News Extra team, Rico behind the camera. This is Sound News Extra out. We're going to enjoy some tune now, because some tune I'm going to fling in there tonight. Out. Robert T here once again with the Sound News Extra crew. And we're there the dance at Bill Stand. The Roots Dance, the Big Dance, Junior Quaker, Scientist, Jah Hamma. See it? And with me right now, me have the promoter, Junior Quaker, who is the sound owner of Junior Quaker, along with the general. You see it? See them here? Big respect, Quakes. Yeah. So far, me know you have expectations of the dance. So far, it a meet any kind of expectations you have.
Can't complain, Robert.
Yeah.
People there, so we give thanks,
Yeah.
So we
That's
just, it's a joy,
That's true. And you know, General, I want him to know with you. Watch out. You see him now? No rhythm, no pass. And him now have lyrics for you. You notice? How it a come, sir?
Yes, Robert T. You know, say from a foundation. Seeing and when I to rush the thing, so we just just some easy thing and when they want something, say give me the rhythm, make me show them what they boss. Cause say Quaker sound we come for enders. So when you with extra, you want the boss. If a boy don't like we think you better move you. It's alright now. I just that. Yeah.
Cut. You don't need no more. Here what, before you go away. The legend with your dad said something earlier on when we had talked to him. Him said the difference right now between where you want to talk about who is a sound. Him say a sound, there's alright, but put it that way. Him say there's two things. There's a sound and there's a PA system. One play outdoors, one play indoors. You go with that one then?
Yeah, that's what the thing going. Yeah, man. The whole of them make a joyful noise, no matter what. You get me? Yeah, man. All like make a joyful noise,
Well, all me can say, you put on around there a while ago, the tree tune there. You put on around there a while ago, them tree tune there. Yeah. Cause even me with my tired self I dance. You see me? So, yeah. But we'll talk to you a little later because I know you still have to keep your head in tune and pick the right tune then. So we're going to talk to you later on, yeah? Respect. Yeah. That was Junior Quaker crew with Junior Quaker and the general himself. Sound News Extra, the other dancer. We not miss nothing. We'll make sure we get everything. Sound News Extra out. Robert T here, the Sound News Extra crew, still here in Wolverhampton with a big roast dance. Jah Hamma, Jonah Quaker, and my next guest, right us up on the Sound News Extra platform, Scientists. Now all them three sound are legendary sounds. Enough of you might not hear of them, enough of you might have heard of them, but them are the original roots sound them. Right as you know, me have Scientist crew. Big up yourself, then come in. Make the people them know you.
Nicky Drake, right?
There's the road.
And watch out. That man is responsible for everything will come out of his speaker. Not true?
Oh, to be pre-op wise. I build them.
So, what I want to ask you is this. First of all, roots dance. I mean, this dance is kind of designed to help revive the roots dance scene. Do you feel that is needed? The roots dance scene needs to be revived?
Definitely need to revive. You know, we grow taller. We got fearing and we love the roots and culture and
Message is the music.
it's about the
drama,
message.
You know, yeah. Spreading
Love
the
we are
message.
dealing with, you understand?
So, in terms of the nowadays dancehall music, them, I take it you know not really in favor of what I go on there, so.
Don't get me wrong, you know, me like little dancehall, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. But me love my roots music. Me love the message of the roots, you know.
Conscious
He
thing.
put the people on a good vibe.
Yeah.
Not to just jump up and not have no sense with themselves.
But I learned something from the tune them.
Definitely. Message, all message.
So,
Your words, man. Your words.
so scientists. What going with scientists? You know what I mean? What's scientists up to? Apart from Mr. Sister who the big dancer. Where else scientists up to lately?
Well, we play in Belgium one day. We do a festival one day. And we play one dance. In a Belgium not too long back, so we've been Belgium regular. But so we can't get the hall them, nobody know want them big power amps in them place and the big bass them. It's hard to get venues for us, so
For the original sound dance then.
yeah.
Three sound like this,
Yeah.
swing up Nylon. This is why we have to say big respect to Junior Quaker to get this place. Sir.
Definitely, enough respect.
Yes, definitely. Because if we don't have people like that, no sound players, they got to put themselves forward and take a lot of flack
Yeah.
from what go on out there. You know.
So, me know say it's still early in the dance, isn't it? No Rico, it's still early. So me know now, me on the fling a selection there a while ago. So me know now, me know now more for come. Yeah. So me not gonna keep it too long. Cause me know you want to keep your head clear.
We just a touch. We just a touch.
You just a touch. You hear them man, yeah? They show off, you see. But then, respect our manners for the time, yes. And we talk to you later. Not respect. Yeah. Sound News Extra at the place. That was Scientist Crew. Giving the crowd what them need. Yeah? Knowledge in music. Knowledge in music. Robert here and the Sound News Extras crew here again. With me is the one and only Huey Sifa Mills, a stalwart in the British sound system collective community. And him there. No, Huey,
Yes, sir.
we did book you up at the dance with
Injection.
injection and the ears and sound there, yeah? And you're there, so two totally different kind of dance. But you man, just love your dance. Because it's a good dance. So first thing I'm gonna ask you, so far tonight at the Roots dance here, how you think the three sound them are going?
Three sound are playing very, very, very well. Music are play and sing, and you know, some roots are my thing, so I'm loving it. And all the sounds they're playing on them one sound, which is a good thing. I haven't seen that for a good while now. All on them one set, and the whole of them are fire in there.
And people, trust me, if you can hear behind me, what go on at the hall, you hear the bass them. This is the original sound dance, the three
Yes.
sound string up.
Yes,
You
sir.
understand me?
Yes,
So,
sir.
this kind of dance compared to where we did talk to you last now with the love injection and the BFR sound. How you da compare them kind of dance?
Two different dance still, you know what I mean? Because, like you said, Injection and BFF, they're playing all sorts of music. Roots, this a dancer, strictly roots and culture, and you know, them things they mean love still.
Yeah, and the venue. I'm impressed with the venue.
Well, I've never been here before, and I am impressed as well, actually. You
And
know what I mean?
I said it earlier on, we have to give big up Quaker for finding this venue.
Yes.
Junior Quaker.
Yes, yes,
You understand me?
yes.
So, in your opinion, would you be voting for, in inverted commas, more of them kind of dancer?
Yeah, man. I would like to when man them play for the moon say yes, we know how things go, but when you hear a man play on his own sound, you know, say the man spend time to build them sound and get the music and thing, and playing on the moon set, you can't get a bigger joy than that still.
And what you just said to the general public, prospective revelers who would come to these kind of dances, but for some reason, kind of don't bother go out again, don't bother come at these dances, don't bother go to any dance, for whatever reason. What would you say to them?
Come out and see what's going on. You know what I mean? There will be something in the January that you like. Along all the dances, what you see these bands them doing, you will find an area that suits you, find your niche, you know?
And admittedly, dancehall did have a kind of a bad stigma. I follow it for a while, but that back stigma gone. It should be gone. It should be erased by now. Dancehall is back to where it used to be fun.
Yes, sir.
Hearing music.
Yes.
We love
That's
that.
what we love, and that's what we love, you know?
Yo, Sifa,
Robert T.
British Sound System Collective. That is a tongue twister. Not true. Big up Taliba Wax. Bless it.
Big up. So new extra every time. Continue the works better. Keep up the good work. Big respect every time. See?
I may never pay him to say that. Trust me. Sound News Extra.
Don't forget my selector, see? Bringing on the song news chat, say the extra business. Yeah, correctly, say. Alright, respect each and every time.
So news extra.
Song news extra, say respect each and every time. Say, keep the thing going, everything, everybody have to make them business, say. Yes, I pick up the say. So we do it, do my style, say. Bring it up, it's your house. How I want to do Jah is my strength and my everything. So I won't ever fear no evil. Peaceful man say he must stand. According to your words you get paid. Yes, I so Jah Hamma say. Any night, any day. See? Ready to come back. Listen.
Robert T here again with the Sound News Extra. Busy in the roots dancer. Yes, like we said, 3 big sound on the land. Scientist, Junior Quaker, and Jah Hamma. But you see in the dance, in them dance here, you can get celebrities all about the place. I met 2 of them here. Right? Prince Jammer, One Nation. See them here, 2 big sound on the place. Gentlemen, greetings.
Greetings, bless.
Greetings, bless. So, here I say, more ask this. Them kind of dancer. Where you say, more of them?
Definitely. Me feel say more it a happen, the movement a go on, but it not populated like it should. Because me don't feel say the major radios that support this movement still. Them support the yard thing and the root and the bashment thing, but them not support the roots thing on radio.
Okay.
If a DJ, a specific DJ now, I back it up on them radio, they will know about this. Yeah? And then the energy can grow again because we know enough man love this now. But them now come out the house because they don't know it.
They don't know it.
They don't know it at one.
And that you think that's how me find out about this. Yeah. Me come out and come on one of them dancers, and that's how me change up little things and become One Nation. A lot of us, down Birmingham, the response not really that good, but when we go anywhere else, sound and play is good. So what you feel we need more of it down here. So in terms of that little problem, how you feel that problem can be fixed? How you think we can encourage more people? Same thing when say the radio.
As me say, right? In anything, in any successful thing is a medium in it, you know. Babylon has spread for them Babylon message, right? Them need a medium for that, right? Them have news, them have TV, them have radio, them have everything. Now reggae for survive, we used to have the medium of vinyl. Every youth that I buy vinyl from youth days now. Then the format changed to CD, digital now. Yeah? We need a medium. And the medium brings forth the message to everybody worldwide. Now, we have Facebook, Instagram and TikTok and all them things there. But still, radio connect to people more better than all of them put together. Yeah? It just take one DJ, you know, selected DJ, if you come at them dance here, and one of them sound to become a DJ on a radio station like that.
Well, I was just gonna ask that question, you know, Gonzi. Don't you think that really what needs to happen is that more roots selectors needs to be on the radio?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's correct.
So why do you feel that's not happening? Is it because roots DJs are not coming forward to do it? Or dare I say radio owners are not really, putting on them kind of shows?
All right, there's a few of them about. Still, them come on at different hours at night, and sometimes some of them too late. They want to come on earlier, you know. Um, like I say again, we still need more. There's only a few of us that do this roots thing, and me fall off a earthquake on them Monday. Them still a keep the lights and shine. 'Cause I never meetings of them think this thing done long time. Until me go listen to them Monday, they just give me an inspiration and boom. That's it.
And next thing is One Nation.
Yes,
Yo, respect for the time, that. Yeah, one love every time, man. Sound News Extra. We talk to all the people, them. We get all the views, news, and reviews. Give it to you straight. We have another celebrity in the place, Respect here, manners. Comfort the great Murray, man.
Definitely. If I defend it international.
Now we come, I might play on production style. Jah, fulfillment with Jah, yeah.
But this is a great Murray, man. Yeah, artist in his own right, producer, promoter, travel too much. Can't see me in England.
Yeah, that's why I go.
But me know me that catch you, yes sir.
Yeah, man, me come take a look to see the tree sound that I play. You know what I mean? Support the dance and, see what I go into the session and see which sound I do.
And do you get that feeling of, I can't think of a better word than joy when you see tree sounds? Like the original days, tree sounds string up now dance.
Yeah, it's nice to see that, and the venue quite nice as well. And we should have some more venue in the ghetto still, so this could have happened more. You understand? Yeah, and incorporate some other sound to come in and come play as well. You know what I mean?
For real. But like Gunzy did say earlier on, the problem is not many venues want to put on accept these kind of dances because of the power and the tree sound they must string up on these kind of things.
All right, the thing now with the sound system now, yes, there is the sound them need to have a power balance now because certain venues, as soon as the sound go in there and bass up the place, them want to say no more sound system.
I want to chip out the sound.
Them say you have to play on their own PA system.
Yeah.
So with this, some sound system have to regulate and have a sound balance. That when you go in certain venues, it's not about blasting, it is about just giving the people them quality with a little bit of ambience of sound. You know what I mean? So is that what we need really? You know what I mean? You're in a nice place, tone it down a little. You don't have to shake up the place all the time. It's about musical entertainment.
Do you feel his enthusiasm because them not get to play out that much, so them want to play them song?
Well, remember sound business is kind of egoistic with a little psychology, you know what I mean? You know, so, you know what I mean? Me I go play you are going to play me. The first thing I go tell your friend them say, hey, me I go deal with him, you know, and then the next man say, me I go deal with you too, you know. You know what I mean? So you have to kind of look on it from that kind of perspective. Yeah. There's a little ego with a little psychology. You know what I mean? But if you tone it down and every sound play on a balance, session can
everything
go on. Session can go on because back in the day, it wasn't really the power balance. It was about quality and what the sound was playing. And also entertainers on the mic because sound system, but without a mic presence, boring. Is it?
True. I sanction that. I agree with that. But here's the thing. You know Murrayman. What Murrayman up to lately?
No, me kind of back off of the scene a little bit, you know. Me kind of back off of the scene because me gone back into school and I do some other things now. And you know what I mean? September me go back into the studio and mix the tune them what was recorded from last year and early this year. You know what I mean? And then I should be going to the press, and by then I should get them by January. And Mellow Vibes kicking again, you get me?
Murrayman moves on again.
Yeah man, me take a year out and just live a life and take 2 holidays and enjoy myself, you know what I mean? And like what me say, me do something back to school kind of thing, so me just want to sort out that, do a few months of that and then, me back on it. After September, me back on it,
All the best to the future, King.
Yeah man, give thanks
and
praise. You don't know. Give thanks and praise to all the people that watch it.
Sound News Xtra, thanks you for the time.
Yeah man.
And the item too. Yeah? Respect.
Yeah man, bless up.
This is Robert T and Sound News Xtra, bringing it straight to you how it go. And you hear from the people them that the dance, not just the people them around the sound them. This is Dolphus from Massigan. And when they say Massigan, you have to say Radix. And the birthday party just gone one day. And what? We did that there, you know. But boy, sell out. So you just a roll in.
Yeah, man, because Sheffield, we just don't play.
So you want, we have make you go and take in the dance, yeah?
Everywhere, sound business.
Big up yourself now, man. Be a celebrity in the place. Sound News Xtra out. This is the Sound News Xtra with the Jah Hamma crew reporting live from the big roots dance in Wolverhampton, Sutherland Avenue. See me? Bless up.
Them man in the grumble, them man the legend and them humble. Them man the ones that the youth them stumble. Them man the ones that the youth them tumble down. 5 squad the up promoter #1. Them man them know if you build champion. Pick up lefty from LS1 sound. Never this the king or no, them never this the young. Easy Brendan, them give enough information about how this game can. And the one Jah will me gather the family later plan. The youth them out to cultivate a brand. Marvin Empire, bad sound from Badlands. Levi sound, them a real champion. Team Extreme, them a real champion. Easy chemist, yo, easy no metal.